This is my first time in Owasso. I've come from Washington, D.C., and I'm amazed. Was a beautiful, I felt like we were walking down the Champs-Élysées in Paris.
In Paris, wow. Hawassa is beautiful. Come and see the lake. Come and see the beautiful city in Ethiopia.
Yeah. I didn't believe it until I saw it for myself, but you can trust us.
Yeah.
We should come.
ይሄነው ዘውዴ ይባላለሁ በአግራ የኢትዮጵያ ፕሮግራም ኃላፊ ነኝ። ሐዋሳ የመጣንበት ዋናው ምክንያት የአግራ ቦርድ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ለመሰብሰብ ስለመጣ ነው። ከኢትዮጵያም የተመረጠችው ሐዋሳ ናት። ምክንያቱም ሐዋሳ በእንግዳ ተቀባይነቷ የምትታወቅ ከተማ ነች። በርካታ ቁም ነገሮች ተሰርተውባታል። የዚህ የከተማውን ማስዋብ ስራም እንደዚሁ ጎብኝተናል። ከተማ ሲዋብ ከተማ በዚህ ደረጃ ሳቢ ሲሆን የገጠሩን ህብረተሰብም ለግብይትም ለምንም ወደ ከተማው እንዲመጣ ያደርጋል። ከዚያም በተጨማሪ የከተማው በዚህ መንገድ መዋብ ብዙ ቱሪስቶችን ይስባል ብለን እንገምታለን። በጣም ደስተኞች ነን እዚህ በመምጣታችን። በጣም በግሩም ሁኔታ ነው ህዝቡም የአካባቢው ህብረተሰብም ሆነ የከተማው አስተዳደር የክልሉ መስተዳደር በግሩም ሁኔታ ነው የተቀበሉን። አድናቆታችን ከፍተኛ ነው። ምስጋናችንም እንደዚሁ በጣም ከፍተኛ ነው። አመሰግናለሁ።
Excited to be in Hawassa today. It's been such a lovely city. We had a walk by night and the walkways were beautiful. The mayor is a fantastic person and we love what they're doing for this city. I would love to come back here. Nice coming here.
Well, actually, when I look at the infrastructure here in Hawassa, it seems like you have been inspired by the Netherlands because I see a lot of bike paths, I see a lot of space for pedestrians. And when people speak about the Netherlands and they ask, what do you like about the Netherlands? This very often comes up as a major benefit and advantage for people living in urban areas. So you're doing the right thing from that perspective. So thank you.